Welcome to Wonderslate by Smart eBooks from the best publishers. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell.
Topic for today's quiz is Life Processes. Question number 1. Atmospheric carbon dioxide is underscored to carbohydrates in the photosynthetic process. Option A. Oxidized. Option B. Reduced. Option C. Neutralized. Option D. Burnt. The correct answer is Option B. Reduced. Atmospheric carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrate by photosynthetic organisms. Question number 2. Where are proteins first digested in the alimentary canal? Option A. Small intestine. Option B. Esophagus. Option C. Mouth. Option D. Stomach. The correct answer is Option D. Stomach. Proteins are digested first in the alimentary canal in the stomach by the digestive enzyme called pepsin. Question number 3. The food is stored in which form in leaves? Option A. Glucose. Option B. Fructose. Option C. Glycogen. Option D. Starch. The correct answer is Option D. Starch. Glucose in plants converted to starch for storage. Question number 4. The autotrophic mode of nutrition requires Option A. Carbon dioxide and water. Option B. Chlorophyll. Option C. Sunlight. Option D. All of them. The correct answer is Option D. All of them. Autotrophic nutrition is the process where the organism prepare their own food with the help of simple inorganic materials like CO2, H2O in sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. Question number 5. What happened to stomata when water enters the guard cells? Option A. Opens. Option B. Closes. Option C. Open or closes. Option D. No effect. The correct answer is Option A. Opens. Guard cells bends away from each other which opens up the stomata. Question number 6. Which of the following is the correct statement regarding bile? Option A. Secreted by bile duct and stored in liver. Option B. Secreted by gallbladder and stored in liver. Option C. Secreted by liver and stored in bile duct. Option D. Secreted by liver and stored in gallbladder. The correct answer is Option D. Secreted by liver and stored in gallbladder. Bile is secreted by liver which is stored in gallbladder. Question number 7. The organism having parasitic mode of nutrition is Option A. Penicillium. Option B. Plasmodium. Option C. Paramecium. Option D. Parrot. The correct answer is Option B. Plasmodium. Question number 8. The process of taking food in the body is called Option A. Ingestion. Option B. Assimilation. Option C. Absorption. Option D. Digestion. The correct answer is Option A. Ingestion. Ingestion is the process of taking food or substance in body. Question number 9. Two of the following organisms have a holozoic mode of nutrition. These organisms are Option A. Paramecium and Plasmodium. Option B. Plasmodium and parakeet. Option C. Parakeet and Paramecium. Option D. Paramecium and parasite. The correct answer is Option C. Parakeet and Paramecium. Holozoic nutrition is a method of nutrition that involves the ingestion of liquid or solid organic material, digestion, absorption and assimilation of it to utilize it. Question number 10. The fluid which appears in our mouth on seeing good food is Option A. Water. Option B. Hormone. Option C. Saliva. Option D. All of them. The correct answer is Option C. Saliva. Saliva contains the enzyme salivary amylase which is capable of breaking down starch into simpler sugars. Question number 11. The enzyme pepsin is inactive in the stomach without the presence of underscore. Option A. Nitric acid. Option B. Hydrochloric acid. Option C. Acetic acid. Option D. Butyric acid. The correct answer is option B. Hydrochloric acid. The enzyme pepsin gets active in the presence of HCl acid. Question number 12. One of the following organisms has a saprophytic mode of nutrition. This organism is option A. Mushroom. Option B. Malarial parasite. Option C. Leech. Option D. Lice. The correct answer is option A. Mushroom. Saprotrophic nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which the organisms feed upon dead and decaying plants and animals. Question number 13. What is the work of villi present on the inner lining of the intestinal wall? Option A. Secretes enzymes for digestion. Option B. Secretes hormones. Option C. Decreases the surface area for absorption. Option D. Increases the surface area for absorption. The correct answer is option D. Increases the surface area for absorption. Villi are finger-like projection which increases the internal surface area of intestinal wall. Question number 14. The process of digestion in humans is completed in option A. Esophagus. Option B. Small intestine. Option C. Stomach. Option D. Large intestine. The correct answer is option B. Small intestine. Digestion involves the mixing of food, its movement through the digestive tract, and the chemical breakdown of the large molecules of food into smaller molecules. Digestion begins in the mouth, when we chew and swallow, and is completed in the small intestine. Question number 15. What is the function of bile during digestion? Option A. Emulsification of fat. Option B. Digestion of fat. Option C. Absorption of fat. Option D. Assimilation of fat. The correct answer is option C. Absorption of fat. Bile contains bile acids, which helps in absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamins in the small intestine. Question number 16. In the human digestive system, the enzymes pepsin and trypsin are secreted respectively by option A. Pancreas and liver. Option B. Stomach and salivary glands. Option C. Pancreas and gallbladder. Option D. Stomach and pancreas. The correct answer is option D. Stomach and pancreas. Pepsin is produced in the stomach. Pancreas make trypsin which is released into small intestine through pancreatic duct. Question number 17. During cellular respiration, one molecule of glucose is first broken down into two molecules of underscore. Option A. Acetic acid. Option B. Pyruvic acid. Option C. Lactic acid. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is option B. Pyruvic acid. During glycolysis, glucose is broken down into two molecules of pyruvate, which then enters the mitochondria to get oxidized. Question number 18. The length of small intestine in a human adult is about option A. 4.5 meters. Option B. 1.5 meters. Option C. 3.5 meters. Option D. 6.5 meters. The correct answer is option D. 6.5 meters. Question number 19. The process of obtaining food by amoeba is known as option A. Dialysis. Option B. Cytokinesis. Option C. Phagocytosis. Option D. Amebiosis. The correct answer is option C. Phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is the process by which a cell engulfs food materials. Question number 20. The pain in muscle due to excess physical exercise is due to option A. Formation of lactic acid. Option B. Formation of acetic acid. Option C. Formation of pyruvic acid. Option D. Formation of hydrochloric acid. The correct answer is option A. Formation of lactic acid. Glycolysis breaks a glucose molecule into two pyruvate molecules, producing a net gain of 2 ATP molecules. Lactic acid fermentation is the type of anaerobic respiration process carried out by yogurt bacteria and by our own muscle cells when we work. So the correct option is formation of lactic acid. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.